we're going to take a look at some of the features in MAZECAM Performance Package regarding the plot shape interactive features. So when you're in the MAZECAM editor, you can push on this button to do the plot shape. That shows you an image of the part. With the performance package, there's certain features now where you can, for example, look at different views. Let's say I want to look at it from an isometric view. You could also do top, front, side, etc. That little box pops up the first time that you open the plot view, and then it disappears to get out of the way. If you want to switch that view, right-click on the mouse, a menu shows up, and you can pick from that thing again. There's also other items that show up on the right-click menu, such as zoom, auto-fit, reset to original, etc. So if I go to that view and then I want to reset to the original, it goes back to where it was originally. Now, let's take a look at some of the interactive features here. If I click on a shape, it instantly shows me that shape. And you'll see the whole shape is blue, and the line, the geometry generated by the line that I'm on is shown in green. Just a slight difference from the blue. So as I click on different processes, or as I move the screen and the cursor moves, wherever the cursor goes to is shown in the blue for the entire process and the green for the individual line that I'm on. So it's interactively working. As I, let's say, do page down here, you'll see it moves around. Also, the reverse is true. That is to say, I can click on some geometry and it will move the cursor now to the process that made that geometry, and the cursor itself we put on the record the shape line that actually generated that individual line that I'm pointing at. If I click on that circle there, you see that came from this drilling process right here. If I click on this line here, you see it came from that line there. Now, as you move around here, the highlight, you will see it sometimes go to this multi-box cursor. That means there's multiple processes, multiple shapes that made what I'm pointing at, or in the near where I'm pointing at. You see that hole is right near where I am pointing at, and so obviously is this little hole up here and this line here are both right near where the cursor is pointing at. If I click on it the first time, it goes to the first one. I click on it the second time, it goes to, and it'll so on. It will cycle through the various shapes that are near where I am. So you just click multiple times and you'll get the various selections of where you're at. See how that works? Okay, there you go. We can also add additional views. So with additional views, it updates the screen every time. All the screens are going to be updated. You can pick in any screen you wish to. And the next thing is that if you hold the center button down on your mouse, the scroll wheel, while moving the mouse, it will spin the part around. If you hold the shift key while holding that center button, it will zoom in and out as you go up and down on the screen. If you hold the control button while holding that center button, now it moves the image up, down to the side. It just shifts it over following where that mouse is. So you can do that. And then with the performance package, we also have a zoom. This zoom is zoom window. You click, click, and now you have zoomed into an area. So, reviewing the right-click menu for performance package, zoom is zoom window. The auto-fit shows the whole thing. Reset to original will show whatever it starts out as, and new plot shape will make an additional window to look at things. You can have up to 3 different views.